Hey babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Hopping right into the tutorial, I'm going to be taking this lip moisturizer by Milani. I also already did my brows off camera. If you want to see how I achieved my brows, click the link below. Now I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium as always, and then just going to buff that out with a Real Techniques brush. For the first transition shade, I'm going to be taking these two shades from the QAF palette by ColourPop, and I am doing the reverse method. Next, I'm going to go in the Jaclyn Hill palette and take the shade Pukey to smooth out that first transition shade. This is just a clean brush to make sure both colors are blended together. You never want to go back in with the same brush unless one of your transitions are fading. Now I'm going to take this shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette into my crease and just blend that out. Using the Jaclyn Hill palette again, I'm going to be taking this dark shade, putting it into my inner and outer corner. I'm going to cut my crease using the same Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and Morphe brush M421. Finally, I'm going to take my last two eyeshadow shades from the first palette and just patting that onto my lid. To brighten up those shimmer shades a little bit more, I'm just going to use this NYX glitter. Placing the Essence mascara onto my lashes. Y'all, this mascara is so bomb, and for the price, you cannot get better than that. These lashes are from AliExpress, but I don't remember what vendor I got them from. Typically because when I buy lashes, I buy a lot, but not all from the same vendor. Now moving on to the face. For primer, I'm going to be using the NYX Shiner Killer. I promise y'all, this is the best sponge to blend your foundation. My face is way lighter than my body, so the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Foundation matches my neck perfectly, and this is in the shade 109 Classic Tan. To highlight under my eyes and bronze my face, I'm going to be using ColourPop's No Filter Concealer and ABH Contour Palette in medium. Next, I'm going to set my face with the Laura Mercier under my eyes and my chin. God, I just love this foundation, y'all. Like, I can't get enough of it. Oh my God, like, look at my face. Look how flawless I look. Next, I'm going to highlight my cheeks, chin, brow bone, nose, forehead, yes, all that, with the MAC Hyper Real Glow highlighters. And yes, y'all, all three. For the lips, I outlined them with a NYX brown lip liner, and the two glosses are NYX and Forever 21. Okay, so that is the finished look, you guys. Hope y'all enjoyed me getting cute just to get back into my bed. No, but seriously though,